Hi and welcome. Today we are going to design a letter seal-shaped stamp in Shapr3D. And this is the basic shape that I draw in Shapr3D. This is my idea of a seal, of a stamp. You can draw your own or import it from other sources. Okay, so this is it. I'll zoom a little bit. It's about 22 millimeters, 23 millimeters or so. So now we'll start with drawing a sketch and a circle. Let's have it 15 millimeters. Then we add plane. We click here and there's 7 millimeters high. Click plane, another one. It's here. Yes. Okay, so we can sketch another circle. And again, 15 millimeters. Okay, you can check the top view for a better view. Okay. Yes, it's not even, so we have to move a little bit. Just, yeah, now it's perfect, one above another. Okay, now you can see it in 3D. And this is a 7 millimeters higher than the first one. Okay, now we add another plane. Again, click here, enter 7 millimeters. So now it's 7 and again 7. You can see 3 planes, 1, 2, and 3. And this is our shape. We can move it, but click here and 14 millimeters high. So the upper arrow, and then we sum 7 plus 7 equals 14. So it has to be 14 millimeters high. So we put it on this plane and move it just here. You can more or less try to figure it out if you want it on this side, on this, yeah. So now we can 1 and 2 and loft, yeah. And now maybe this one and loft, yeah. Now it's good. So we can deselect all. Now I think we can go back a little bit because the shape is maybe not as smooth as I would like. We can change the diameter and again loft and again loft. Yeah, now I think it will be better to handle than before. You can see the top. There are some other drawings on my file, so don't bother. And on the top view, you can see. Okay, so now we can click, can deselect all. Yeah, and now this is our plane. Maybe we can switch it off because we want to add some offset for our stamp. Now it's again the body as well. You can switch the body from the view. Just it will be easier to check the geometry. So we click it, we give the offset edge and put 0.4 millimeters. And again, you can click here, double click. Yeah, more offset edge. It was 0.4, so now we will have 0.6 millimeters on the support. Okay, and again, maybe loop, it will be faster, yeah. And 0.4 again, so 0.4, 0.6, 0.4, 0.6 again, and the last one I think 0.4. Yeah, now we can click on them and we can see that everything is okay. Now we are clicking this one, extrude 3 millimeters. Click here, extrude 1 millimeter. Another one, 1 millimeter maybe as well. 1.5 because it will be a stamp. Now we don't see and we can't click the last one. It sometimes happens because the Shapr3D switches off the sketch. You have to find it and click it again. Yes, it's sketch 5. If you are lost, you have to do it and extrude 1 millimeter as well. Now we have the alphabet. I downloaded the font. I uploaded it into ChatGPT online, and I asked it to convert it to DXF file, CAD file, so DXF file. And to make our work faster, I asked it to make all of the letters in the mirror, so that you have to do the stamp. So when there's a stamp, you have to, your symbol or letter needs to be mirrored. So these are the letters. We imported the letters as a file, as a DXF file. So we can move, copy it maybe. Now 14 millimeters up. Yeah, we can see the same level as the stamp. We can move a little bit. Top view again to be easier, and by hand, more or less, you can put it in the middle. Okay, if it's too big, scale it a little bit, move it. Now it looks good. That looks perfect. Okay, close up. We can, make extrude 1.5 millimeters high, the same as the line inside one of the lines. This is the stamp effect, it's 1.5. You can click in visualization. You can see the stamp looks quite nice. Let's add some color to the stamp. Perfect. Okay, so this is it. This is the stamp. The same thing you can do with every other single letter that is there and export it to STL file. And that's it. Yeah, you can make it as many stamps as you wish. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you want to be notified about some new tutorials, new tips, new hints about designing 3D, printing, clay cutters, all the designing stuff connected to it. Please subscribe it. Thank you. Bye-bye.